Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make loaded baked potato salad. First, gather your ingredients, including about 2 pounds of russet potatoes, crispy bacon, sharp cheddar cheese, and fresh chives. This guide will walk you through each step, from baking the potatoes to mixing the creamy dressing. You'll create a delicious side dish perfect for any gathering. Start by selecting about 2 pounds of russet potatoes, as they bake beautifully and hold their shape. Wash them thoroughly, then bake them at 400 degrees Fahrenheit until tender, which usually takes about 1 hour. Once baked, let them cool completely before dicing them into 1-inch cubes. This cooling step is crucial for the salad's texture. Next, prepare your rich and creamy dressing. Combine 1 cup of mayonnaise, 1/2 cup of sour cream, 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, and a dash of apple cider vinegar. Season with salt and black pepper to taste. Then, fold in your delicious mix-ins. About 8 slices of cooked and crumbled bacon, 1 cup of shredded sharp cheddar cheese, and 1/4 cup of chopped fresh chives. Gently combine the diced, cooled potatoes with your prepared creamy dressing and all the savory mix-ins. Be careful not to mash the potatoes. You want distinct pieces. Once everything is well incorporated, cover the salad and refrigerate it for at least 2 hours. This chilling time allows the flavors to meld beautifully, making it even more delicious when served.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.